What's up, y'all? This is the Great Code back again with another video, and today we're doing something a little different. We finna do an unboxing video. So today we got the Ufree model U1257. I ordered these because I needed some new clippers, not necessarily because my other ones went down, just because I needed some new ones. And I got me a straight razor. So basically some old barber equipment. I know we're doing something a little different, my first in real life video, so if y'all like this, make sure y'all put in a comment and we finna get to it. So first, let's get to the straight razor. I'm gonna open this second. So I ordered this off of Amazon for nothing less than $28. Acting like it don't want to open. Okay, we got it open. Nice. It got different detail than my other ones. You can hold them pretty nicely. See, you got detail, wooden grain. I say they got some weight to them, but they are different than my other ones. So, and something else is in the box. I guess this the cleaning. Like you clean it, you don't want to open it. Clip that onto something. It works like that. So that's it for that box. It say warning. The knife has an extremely sharp edge. Use caution when opening this package. Mishandling or incorrect use can result in serious injuries. It's the responsibility of the buyer to investigate and comply with the laws and regulations that apply in his or her area. So that's it for this. The straight razor that I got from Amazon. Definitely gonna have to put this to the test. So now, the Ufree model U1257. It's a pretty nice clipper. It comes with the big one and the small one. This is the trimmer. So let's go and open this. Oh yes. Oh yes, look at that. That is something. This is the trimmer. Oh. It shows the LED screen. Pretty lightweight. Yeah, I say definitely gonna have to use these. Got the hand grips right here. See the. And this is the. These also have the hand grips. See, this tell you the available time and what percentage on. Let's see. Which one's louder? I said these are louder, the trimmers. See, with these, they have levels to their open and close. See, they got 5 levels. 1, 2, 3, and that's 5. All the way open. See, they had some gold ones. I mean, they had some silver ones and gold ones. I wanted the gold ones, but they also have the silver ones. So if you don't like the gold ones, they also have a silver one. And with this, it came with some extra accessories. Some comb scissors. They feel pretty doable. And they also came with some regular scissors. They also came with a comb. Came with blade cleaners, a blade brush. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all about this. This is the charger, so you can use it cordless. That's why I also needed some new clippers, because I needed some cordless ones. See, this has two inputs, 1 and 2. So it comes with 2 different chargers. It has a long enough cord that you can maneuver around, and you can also charge. I said charge. You can also cut hair while it's on charge. That's why it came with a long enough charger so you can move around with it. Both chargers work. They should. And they also came with guards. Now I'm curious. I wonder if my old guards, my wall clipper guards, can fit on here. These are the guards it came with. Look pretty snug and compact. So, let me show y'all my old clippers versus my new clippers. Now the old versus the new. Off the top, I can say these look better. But the only thing I hate about these is because these have a cord. Ain't nothing wrong with that. They stay alive. They work. I've done pretty nice haircuts with them. But I'll say these, to me, feel better, look better. And when you feel better, or if it looks better, you'll feel like giving a better haircut. Now my old trimmers, they were okay. I say they've done pretty straight hairline, but ain't really nothing wrong with these though. I'll just say that they kind of thin. If it came a little bit more wider, then they'll be just right. Now these, they feel more like, how to explain it? They feel right.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's see if yeah, these have more torque than these do. And when you turn it around like this have more weight than these do. So I'll say these because I haven't used these before. So when I have the chance to use these, I will let y'all know. And if y'all want to see the review on these, just let me know in the comments. And until then, My name is the Great Kobe, and I'm out.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button. And also like.